Hello, beautiful audience. We are glad to have you guys back on this channel once again. And on today's video, we are live at the Awka-Ekwulobia road that is under dualization and expansion by the Anambra state government, that is the SOLUDO's administration. And to say it the way it is, this is one of the legacy projects of this administration, because by the time this project is completed, it is going to transform Anambra State and also make or boost the economy of these locations. So just in case this is your first time of coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share this video, and also make sure you give this video a massive thumbs up. So guys, on today's video we will go all the way from Awka up till the Ekwulobia axis of this road. And one good thing I observed about this road construction that is going on, or rather road dualization that is going on, is that these guys, that is the GELD construction company, are taking it upon themselves to see that this project actually comes to actualization as soon as possible. And with that effect, they are doing a very great job with the way they are handling the project. You see, from this particular axis now, they are working on the drainage system going towards Agolo. Okay, and then if you go towards the Ekwulobia area, they are also working on the same drainage system coming towards Agolo. In fact, I've gotten up to Nanka right now, and when we get to Nanka, you also see a lot of demolitions that are going on, and also you will see the drainage system that is also under construction. And even as we proceed, you also see a particular area where they have already commenced stone base on this road. So that is to tell you how serious they are with this road construction that is going on in Anambra State. So on this video, we are going to drive all the way from, because where we are right now is Nise town. This is Nise town, okay? And if you observe around these areas, you will see that they are almost done with the drainage system on this particular part of this road construction. Yes, and if you also notice, you will see that work is going on both sides of the road. So it's not it's not like one-sided. Okay, they are taking it simultaneously on both sides of the road, and they have done this up till Agolo. So work has progressed from here up till Agolo town. And in some parts of Agolo, they have even commenced stone base, just like I told you earlier before now. So it is a very good one coming from the GELD construction company and also the Anambra state government for seeing that this project actually comes to reality. So guys, I would love to hear also your thoughts, your observations, and your recommendation, whatever it is you have to say about this project that is going on. Please kindly do share with us on the comment section so that we all will be on the same page together. So yes, we are live at the Awka-Ekwulobia road that is under dualization and expansion by the Anambra state government. And it is a very good thing to see that this project is actually progressing in a very good pace. I wouldn't say they are slow on this one, because work is going on from both directions. I mean, work is going on from this axis, and also that is at this particular end, and also at the other end that is coming from Ekwulobia, work is also progressing, and they have gotten up to Nanka as we speak. So we are going to go through all of these places completely. Yes, we are going to drive you through from here up till Ekwulobia, so that you would see for yourself what is going on ground, and also you will see how far these guys have come with this project. But I must tell you guys, you are going to be impressed with what the GELD are doing on ground. And all thanks to the Anambra state government for seeing that this project is coming to reality. And I really pray and I hope, yes, I pray and I hope that they would continue with this tempo, so that because if they actually continue with this particular tempo, or should I say pace, at which they are working on right now, by this time next year we shouldn't be talking about this road project any longer. Seriously. So I really hope and pray that they continue with this pace at which they are working on right now, so that we'll see that this project gets actualized as soon as possible. So guys, I would allow you guys to watch this video till the end, and please make sure you watch this video till the end so that you get to see what is going on along the Awka-Ekwulobia road dualization by the Anambra state government. Enjoy the rest of the video and remain blessed.